Hi,
Hi, Assad. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you going on?
I'm good. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I'm hearing clearly. Can you hear me perfectly?
Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Okay. Can I see your Shopify website?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you want front end or back end?
Please just visit. Let me visit as a people, normal people.
Okay, perfect. Let me pop that in the chat.
So you're selling beard oil,
Beard products, skin products, and hair products.
okay, beard hair and skin.
Our
So
main stuff right now is
Shopify,
beard.
Microsoft Cloud. Okay, so what is the problem right is this
So
moment?
right now we've been tracking really well um, over the past few days.
Hmm,
And our event match quality went down,
hmm,
and currently we're at, I'll pop this in the chat here, 6.8. But what I noticed today is that we had um, a severe drop in conversion rate. So our conversion rate has been like 5% plus. Sales also were over 1K per day. And today we had almost no sales and maybe a 1% conversion rate. So then I checked Facebook
hmm,
for the Meta
hmm.
event, and we came up with a couple errors. Michigan, United States.
Michigan. Okay, is there any data privacy regulations like CCPA?
I don't believe so.
I need to audit actually. What is the process of setting up the conversion tracking? Can you please share your screen and go to your Google Tag Manager and set up your Shopify conversion tracking or
Yeah, so I had oh shoot. It says that I have to quit and reopen.
okay, no problem.
Okay, be right back. Can you hear my dog snoring?
Yeah. Wow. I thought this looked like a
Tired.
cigar.
She's been working hard. So I have to take you through this a bit. In April, we had our Google Tag Manager. Unfortunately, it was deleted by our old marketing company,
Hmm,
and that was an accident. So that was April 17th. On May 9th, I recovered it. And then I had an outsourced person like yourself.
hmm,
They set us up with all of our um, tags, and they reset everything,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
connected everything. Um, but I was struggling getting over like a 2x ROAS, and our content is really, really good. So
Hmm.
it wasn't the content. And what I discovered literally on July 22nd, so 6 days ago, was
Hmm.
that our conversions API wasn't ever connected, unfortunately. So I connected that. We immediately had a huge boost in conversion tracking and ROAS and MER. So we immediately probably gained 45% of our tracking. But I'm having duplicated events. So it's
Hmm.
tracking each item as a purchase
Hmm. Hmm.
instead of there may be like three items in a purchase and they're tracking each one individually. So they're overinflating our purchases. But then today we lost all of it and everything kind of dipped again. And then those two warnings came up later on this afternoon,
Yeah, the
which were
value parameter is not working properly. And
correct.
another one is regarding the data privacy law.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's no way to fix that.
Yeah, obviously there is a way. So for the data privacy rules, maybe it is the government issue and it will ask you to add a cookie consent for your business.
Hmm.
And
On our website.
yeah, and another thing is we have to audit and fix the purchase tracking properly.
Okay.
Can
So our purchase though is the highest match quality
it
is
is
what
fine. It is
I've
fine.
noticed.
More than 8 is enough.
Okay. But then I do want to fix our search link click isn't even there. And I want to
Actually,
improve.
event match quality is the event that has the customer first name, last name, email, phone number, days information. The
Right.
SARS do not have the customer first name, last name. The
Gotcha.
page
Okay.
view, the other event, the link click, that's really not necessary the event match quality. The only event match quality number is important for the purchase.
Okay. So is there any way to get better at any of these?
I think your event match quality has no issue and it's more than enough for the advertising optimization.
Okay. So really then it's a
Yeah,
pretty limited error.
you just need to audit the purchase tracking process. Can you go to the your Shopify backend?
Because so you're saying this isn't it doesn't really matter. This is privacy.
No, no, this is value parameter. This is very much important. And the second one is regarding the data privacy law according to the
Ah,
United
this is
States area.
right. So you
So,
need 72 hours to do this.
no, no, no. It will take maximum 8 hours work, maximum 5 hours working or 6 hours working
Okay.
almost. But it is very technical to identify the issue and then apply fix, test, and move ahead.
I mean, I totally understand. I get it.
Yeah.
I don't have the skill. You have the skill, which I get. Um, so I don't doubt your skill. Uh, okay. Let me think about it, and then
Okay, no
I will
problem.
give you the access. You know, after I talk with my partner.
Okay, please talk with your partner and if everything okay to move forward at first, I need to send you a custom offer request. Then when you hire me, only then we can share personal details to receive access and
Sure.
I can start working.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Have a good time.
All right. You too.
What
Bye.
is the name of your dog?
Her name is Olive.
Ali.
Olive.
Oh, nice.
Say hello.
Wow.
She's tired. It's late.
She already
Um.
sleep?
Yeah. Oh yeah. She's already asleep. She's
Wow,
ready
lovely.
for her bed. Okay. I will talk with him, and then I'll let you know. How long are you available today, Hassan?
What time is it now?
It's 10:21 p.m. where I am, so that would make it what
It's my
12.
8:21 a.m. and my
Oh,
day
8
is starting.
8 a.m. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. I will let you know within
When you
the
are
next
ready,
hour.
just send me a message, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great time.